check man sa patient nga may low set ears. Kaya kung may low set ears siya guys, it may indicate a Down syndrome. Tama na ang dalong balaya dulunggan na mga low set ears example ano ba? Low set ears Down syndrome nan sila na sa mo ni nan baby ba example ba nan Sara sa dalom na Down syndrome na siya guys. So i-check ang classmate kong low set ears. Tulok mo gintan lo. Tulok mo nimo nga kaugalingon sa spino. Low set ears ko. Charing. Okay. Outside therefore pull the auricle gently downward not upward for the best view of the eardrum. So guys, mag-check ka mo sang dulonggan sang pasyente, sang infant panaog guys ha muna hindi pasaka. Okay? To get the best view of the eardrum. Okay. Nose and sinus test for patency of nasal passages. Some infants are obligate nasal breathers. Do not occlude both mouth and nose simultaneously. Mag-check ka, hindi mo pag-occlude, meaning hindi mo pagtabunan ang mouth kag ang ilong dungan. Okay, nga tabunan mo yahaw, ma-check ka lang gid sang ginhawa. Okay, mouth and pharynx. The newborn's mouth is edentulous. The alveolar mucosa is smooth with finely serrated borders. Makita, edentulous guys, wala pangipon, wala pa dent. Edentulous. Occasionally, Epstein pearls. Ang Epstein pearls guys, ang do mga yellow, ari na, yellow or white nga do pearl gid na siya nga ara sa ngipon sorry sa ngipon sa ba or sa sa ano ni sa mucosa sang baby. Ari ang Epstein Island pearls. Ari. Nan. Nga do pearl ginabla guys, ara siya. Nan, mga mana. Okay. Note for abnormal infant cries. Okay, the neck, puppet for lymph nodes. Lymph nodes lang man. Check lang. Palpate the clavicles and look for evidence of fractures. O, tama. Check sang fractures kay base ang baby na pabayaan, nagkalabali. Thorax, lungs, okay. Inspection, palpation, auscultation lang. Inspect, of course, lantaw, check ng breathing, color, and nasal component of breathing, audible breath sounds. Tactile fremitus. Nga bakit tactile fremitus, guys? Ano na siya? It refers to the palpable vibration of the chest wall. Okay, palpable, mapalpit nga vibration sa chest wall. Okay, that's called tactile fremitus. That results from the transmission of sound vibrations through the lung tissue to the chest wall. Okay, it is a clinical sign commonly assessed as a part of routine physical examination of the lungs. So, paano mabalaan? Tactile fremitus. Tumduman nyo tong nag-check kita, magtalikod mo na. Pahambalon siya, 99. Yan muna. Okay. Tapos kina-check kung vibrate ang sa lungs. Vibration, sound vibrations na 99. Nan. Or 1, 2, 3 na. Pambalon. Okay. Next, auscultation. Infant breath sounds are larger and harsher than those um, of adults because the stethoscope is closer to the origin of the sound. Assess for normal breath sounds, assess for adventitious breath sounds. Okay. Heart. Before examining the heart itself, observe the infant carefully for any cyanosis kung naga-blue siya. Of course, inspect, palpate, auscultate. Okay, palpate for pulses ng baby. Check mo mga pulse ng baby. In neonates and infants, the brachial artery pulse is the antecubital. In the antecubital fossa is easier to feel than radial artery pulse at the rest. So kung sa baby, guys, masapos, masapos ang pangitaon ng pulso sang baby sa dire kaysa sa dire sa rest. Okay. Palpate for femoral pulses. Guys, what you call this? Be familiarized with pulses. Okay. Dorsalis pedis, posterior tibia, wala. This is for thrills. Anong thrills? Thrills are abnormal vibration. Okay. And auscultation. Auscultation, auscultate. Okay, auscultate for heart sounds, for third heart rate sounds, for murmurs. Okay, auscultate gamit ang Stethoscope. Okay, abdomen inspection. The infant's abdomen is protuberant as a result of poorly developed abdominal musculature, abdominal wall, blood vessels, ito yung sila noticed. Of course, kay bata pa sila, kitaon para mga blood vessels, kag intestinal peristalsis. Inspect the area around the umbilicus for redness or swelling. Inspect for this diastasis recti. Diastasis recti. Anong diastasis recti, guys? Do ridge na siya, okay? It looks like a ridge which runs down the middle of the belly area. Ay, tsura, wait lang. Diastasis recti. Ari na lang ako para pos makita. Recti. Ay, sorry. Recti. Baby. Nan. Ano na. Kitaon. Nan. Ano na siya. Diastasis recti. The ridge. Okay? It stretches from the bottom of the breastbone to the belly button. Okay, it increases with muscle straining. In infants, the condition is most easily seen when the baby tries to sit up. Okay. Auscultation, percussion, palpation. Sa percussion, guys, but the infant's abdomen can be percussed as an adults. The same lang man sa adults, mag-percuss blah, magmana. But be prepared to note greater tympanic sounds, okay? Because of the infant's propensity to swallow air. Of course, kay 'di ba sa adults kung mag-check kita magmuna up butod how muna syempre kay usually muscle fats kag may mga unod na naiya guys. Ang sa baby ya guys sa infant may propensity to swallow air sila, that's why nga do mahangin bala amo na ah do drum nan amo na sa do drum like sounds. Timpani is normally heard over the stomach but it is not a normal chest sound. Sorry. Tympanic sounds heard over the chest indicate excessive air in the chest, such as may occur with pneumothorax. Sa muna. Percussion is useful for determining the size of organs and abdominal masses. So palpation, hold the legs flexed at the knees in the hips with one hand and palpate the abdomen with the other. A pacifier may be used to quiet the infant in this position. Sa genitalia. Genitalia. Okay, male genitalia. Inspect the foreskin. Completely covers the glans penis. It is non-retractable at birth. Kay bata pa. Though you may be able to retract it enough to visualize the external urethral meatus. Kaya 'di ba may skin pa ang penis ng isang baby. Mostly hindi na siya retractable pa. Pero pwede mo ma-retract to visualize the external urethral meatus. Retraction of the foreskin in the uncircumcised males occurs months to years later. Okay. Inspect the shaft, uh, inspect scrotum, examine testis. The female, the labia majora and minora have a dull pink color in light-skinned infants and may be hyper pigmented in dark-skinned infants. Examine the different structures systematically. Size ang clitoris, color, size ang labia majora, the urethral orifice, the labia minora, and the hymen. Rectal examination generally is not performed for infants or children. Assess for the anal, patency, and abdominal mass. If imperforated anus is present, refer to the pediatrician or pediatric nurse practitioner. Perforated anus, ano na, wala buho, yabuli. Okay, kung wala buho, pag-check nyo, ano na din, ihatag na din sa pediatrician or pediatric nurse practitioner.